In our previous video, we have done different acid and bases and different properties of acid and base. In this video, we are going to do different type of acids. So, there are four type of mainly acids were present around us. First one is strong acid. Strong acid means which ionize in water quickly. You know that whenever any substance mixed with water and when it give H plus ions, that is considered to be acid. The substance which readily gives H plus ions, they are called strong acids. And the substance which partially ionize in water and give a less concentration of H plus ions or hydronium ion are called weak acid. Okay, so let us do some examples of strong acid. Strong acid examples are HCl, H2SO4 and HNO3. What is HCl? Hydrochloric acid. H2SO4, sulfuric acid. HNO3 means nitric acid. So strong acids are those acids which readily forms H plus ions when mixed with water. And they produce large amount of ions, and in weak acid they produce small amount of H plus ions. So therefore they are called weak acid, and weak acid we usually we can eat them. We take them as a edible acids. Okay, for example, CH3COOH. CH3COOH means acetic acid or ethanoic acid, which we are eating as vinegar when it is mixed with water. Then H2CO3, carbonic acid, which we usually found in our soft drinks. Then H2SO3, sulfurous acid. Okay, that is also found in our edibles. Then third type of acid which we have, that is called mineral acid. What is a mineral acid? The acids which are made by the minerals present in the earth crust. They are called mineral acid, or another name of mineral acid is inorganic acid. Okay, so we have some examples of mineral acid also. HCl again, HNO3, H2SO4, they come under mineral acid, which are formed by minerals present on the earth crust. Then organic acid, as the name suggests, organic, the acids which are made by plants and animals are called organic acid, which we usually eat. For example, citric acid. For example, this ethanoic acid, tartaric acid, oxalic acids, or these acids which we use for eating, they are called organic acid. They are evolved from plants or animals. So I think the type of acid is clear to you. How many types we have? We have four type of acids: strong acid, weak acid, mineral acid and organic acid. Now come to base. Base, we know that the substance which produce OH minus ions when dissolved in water are considered to be base. Okay, so we have two types: strong base and weak base. As we have strong acid which give more H plus ions, here we consider strong base which give more OH minus ions when dissolved in water. They are called strong base. Okay, they give large amount of OH minus ions when they are dissolved in water. Then weak acid, so, we can say some examples of strong acids, strong base also. That is NaOH. What is Na? Sodium. OH means hydroxide. So sodium hydroxide is a strong base. KOH, potassium hydroxide, it is also a strong base. Now weak base. Weak, as the name suggests, which give less amount of OH minus ions when dissolved in water are called weak base. Okay, partially ionized in water. For example, ammonium hydroxide NH4OH, then calcium hydroxide, then magnesium hydroxide. Students, in next video we are going to do the chemical properties of all this acid and base. So you should remember all the formulas and all the name of the acid and base used in this video. Let us recapitulate again that acid we have done, base the substance which give more OH minus ions when dissolved in water. The substance giving more OH, they are called strong base. Those who are giving less concentration of OH minus, they are called weak base. And here are the example given of strong acids, strong base, and weak acid and weak base. Okay, in our next video we will do all the uses of acid and base. Thank you.